Awaken your power. This is Mindset Mastery.
You try hard. You push yourself. You give everything you've got, and still, you feel weak. Not physically, but emotionally, mentally, deep inside. And you start wondering, why do I feel so drained when I'm doing everything right? Well, here's the truth most people don't want to hear. Sometimes, your effort isn't the problem. It's where that effort is going. We've all been taught that trying harder fixes everything, right? If you're tired, work harder. If you fail, hustle more. If you're sad, just smile through it. But what happens when that mindset becomes a trap? When trying hard slowly turns into just trying to survive? That's when your mind starts to burn out. Quietly. Slowly. Without you even realizing it. This video isn't about working less. It's about understanding why all that effort doesn't feel rewarding anymore. Because once you see what's secretly draining your power, you'll finally understand what real strength feels like. Reason number 1, you confuse effort with direction. Let's be real. You can run fast, but if you're running in the wrong direction, you're just getting lost faster. So many people pour their energy into things that don't actually matter to them. They chase approval, perfection, validation, not purpose. You wake up early, you stay busy all day. But at night, you still feel empty. That's not weakness. That's misalignment. True strength isn't about doing more. It's about doing what matters. Ask yourself, am I chasing something that's really mine? Or just what I think I should want? Reason number 2, you mistake suppression for strength. We live in a world that praises staying strong. But somewhere along the way, strong started to mean don't feel anything. You're told not to cry, not to break, not to admit you're tired. So you bury your emotions under fake smiles and motivational quotes. And guess what? That's exactly what makes you weak inside. Because strength isn't the absence of emotion. It's the courage to face it. When you suppress what you feel, it doesn't disappear. It just festers, until it consumes you. Real strength sounds more like, yeah, I'm not okay right now. But I'm working through it. That's not weakness, that's honesty. And honesty is powerful. Reason number 3, you keep pouring from an empty cup. You try to be everything for everyone. A good friend, a good worker, a good person. You keep showing up, even when you're exhausted. You keep giving, because you think that's what makes you valuable. But here's the harsh truth. If you never stop to refill your own energy, eventually, you'll have nothing left to give. Rest isn't laziness. Saying no isn't selfish. Protecting your peace isn't weakness. It's survival. If your mind is tired, your motivation dies with it. So take a break, before your body forces you to. Because burnout doesn't look heroic. It looks hopeless. Reason number 4, you tie your worth to results instead of growth. You tell yourself you'll finally feel strong when you win. When you get that job. That recognition. That perfect body. But every time you hit one goal, another one appears. You're chasing strength like it's a trophy, instead of realizing it's a practice. Here's the truth. Real mental strength isn't proven when you win. It's revealed when you keep going without winning. When you show up even when no one's clapping. When you keep moving even when it hurts. That's strength. Quiet. Steady. Unseen. Now think about it. Maybe you don't feel weak because you're doing something wrong. Maybe you feel weak because you've been measuring strength the wrong way. Strength isn't about never falling. It's about standing up again with awareness. It's about knowing where your energy goes. It's about facing what hurts instead of hiding it. It's about choosing peace over pressure. So the next time you feel weak, don't hate yourself for it. Ask yourself, what is this moment trying to teach me? Because sometimes, your lowest moments are just your mind asking for a different kind of strength. One that's quieter, deeper, and real. You've tried being perfect. You've tried being tough. Now try being real. Because that's where true power begins. If this message hit home for you, take a second. Breathe. Reflect. Maybe today's the day you stop looking strong and start becoming strong. If this helped you see yourself differently, drop a comment below and tell me what resonated most. And if you're ready to rebuild your mind from the inside out, subscribe to Mindset Mastery. Your journey to real strength starts right now.